For those who didn't hear me the first time, I'm Abdul. Not that word again. But yeah. Ooh. There's me. Swift loving. There you go. There was a joke. I've even contributed to Swift language myself. So you're probably wondering, sorry, this is why I'm here speaking to you today at a JS conference. Well, I can't seem to escape it. So my team at Vonage, we are the tooling team. We focus mainly on building tooling to make people who use our platforms' lives easier. So in essence, turning those frowns upside down. But sorry, PC problems. But it seems to be the case, I always seem to end up writing JavaScript. For example, we can take a look at a few of the projects I've worked on recently. For example, the Vonage CLI, which is TypeScript. The iOS push, oh, I've said it, iOS push notification uploader, which is also mostly JavaScript. And a few secret projects which I can't tell you about on this stage currently, which is also JavaScript. So working in JavaScript is a bit different to what I'm used to. I'm used to the warm but sometimes crushing embrace of the Swift compiler. I'm used to being super particular about which dependencies we bring into our projects. I can give you various examples, but I've had multiple hour-long meetings about putting dependencies into projects. I've read many proposals about putting dependencies into projects. And I'm also used to a somewhat yearly release cycle. But also, working in JavaScript feels a bit freeing. It feels like it's me and my node modules folder versus the world. But at the same time, it can be a bit frustrating, a bit daunting, and there's some things in the language I just outright disagree with, but we won't go into that. So what's my point? There isn't one. I just wanted to talk about iOS at a JavaScript conference. But I do have to leave you with something. So I guess if you had to take something away, is get out there and explore. You never know what sort of things you might find out there. Some sort of things you maybe are not looking for. But yeah, after all, I mean, our jobs are to make people's lives easier rather than working in specific programming languages. But that was that. And there's stay hungry, stay foolish. Thank you.